You might need these one day. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dave. This is GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures. And I'm going to give you a tip on something to carry with you. Some of you may be like me. You get out in the middle of nowhere, you get a long distance from home, or maybe out of cell phone reception, and you come across this problem where you got a leaky red. And I've seen it before where people have had this problem and you're stuck. I carry this, okay? AC Delco cooling system seal tabs. They're like, I think they're like $7 at the dealership, at a GM dealership. You can go in, buy them. There's the part number there. I'm going to read you the directions, okay? It says, to avoid accidental burns, the supplement should be added to a cool radiator and cooling system. Now, never, ever take your rad cap off when your car's hot. Wait till it's cold, okay? Wait till it's cold. Anyway, check the following. Can the palm of the hand be placed comfortably on the top of the radiator cap? Can the top radiator hose be hand squeezed, indicating the system is no longer under pressure? If so, proceed. You remove the cap. You empty the entire contents, these right here, into the radiator. Now, sometimes you might have to crush these up. You might have to break them up. Then you replace the radiator cap and you let it, I always say let it idle for at least 20 minutes. That way it builds up pressure. Once you put the cap back on, it builds up pressure in the system and it pushes it towards the hole. I have seen these things seal up holes in the middle of nowhere. I carry these with me. I carry a few packs with me in the van. And I've come across people in the middle of nowhere where, you know, they've taken a stick to the rad or whatever. They got a tiny leak. Now, don't get me wrong. This isn't going to work for a massive leak, okay? It's just not going to do it. But if you have a leak that is, you know, a drip or just a little pinhole in the rad, this may be your savior. Now, a lot of people say, oh, you know, you'll clog up things. You can always flush out your system afterwards, after you get back to a place where you can get things fixed and done. But when you're in the middle of nowhere or late night out in a deserted road or whatever the case may be, I'm telling you, these things might save your butt. I'm going to show you on the Mustang here, I'm going to show you how these work. I have a slight coolant drip and I know this is going to take care of it. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I add these and we'll go from there. Okay, watch. Okay guys, I have the whole pellets. One. You have another pellet. Two. No, if I want to break it up there, I broke that one in half. They're pretty easy. They feel almost like sawdust. Three. I'll get all that wiped around, get all that off before I start up the car. But 4, 5, and 6 is in there. There, I put all them in. Now I'm just going to wipe off, get a cloth and wipe that out, get that goo off there. Now there is a little bit left in. I'm just going to dump that in. There. There, give it a wipe down. And I'm going to throw the cap back on. Now notice how it's stone cold so I can actually touch this stuff. If it was hot, I would have been wearing coolant in the face and burnt my hand. Scalded my face too. So don't do it when it's hot. Wait till it's cold. There, I'm done. I'm going to start up and let it run now for a little while. Now she's running. So it's in there. I'm going to let this run for about 20 minutes and that's it. It'll plug it up. If it's going to plug it up, it's going to plug it up, period. Leak no more. Well guys, there you go. Easy fix. Like I say, if you're in an emergency, that stuff is worthwhile having. Like, I just let this run for 20 minutes and got out, checked, no drip, no nothing. I wish things in life were that simple normally. Anyway, guys, I hope this tip helps you out. You know, for $7 to throw it in your car, it's a good, safe thing to have just in case, right? Anyway, guys, hope that helped out. You take care. Please be safe on the road.